Install WordPress, then hover the mouse on the Appearance button, then click on Theme. Now click on the Add Theme button, and then search for Astra. Click on the Install button, and then activate, and now you can see Astra in your left menu bar. Hover on the Astra button, and click on the dashboard. On the right side, you see Useful Plugins, Install Starter Templates. Now click on Elementor Page Builder. Now you can select any template by clicking it. I'm searching for a saloon template, so in the personal care category, I select for saloon. Now upload your company logo or skip it for now and continue. You can also change the theme color and fonts, and then hit continue. Now it's an optional step, skip it for now and click on submit and build my website. And there it is, our website is ready now. To edit content, just click on Edit with Elementor.